Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we got a 2018 Toyota Rav4, and on this Toyota Rav4 we're going to go over how to replace the license plate light bulb. The license plate light bulb, you have two, one here and one here, and so the way we get access to them is by popping, we got to pop the trunk and raise it up. So reach in, grab the tab to unlock it, and then pull up the trunk. So once the trunk has been raised up and in the upright position, we have this little access panel that we'll want to remove. Yeah, same as the rest. We've got some little indent tabs here. We just get our non-marring tool or a screwdriver, and that way you can pop these clips out on the back side to be able to remove this cover. And then you'll see right up in here is the back of where the license plate light bulb is. This one and this one over here. And so do that, then we're just gonna twist it a quarter turn to the counterclockwise to be able to pull the housing down, and then the light bulb itself we can pull out and remove. This light bulb here is a 168. So you get a new 168 to put back in, and then you just press it, snap it back into place there, and then put it back up in the housing there, and turn it a quarter turn to the right and lock that back into place. And then once you're done with that, then you'll just take your cover plate here and snap that back onto place. So that's how you replace your license plate light on your 2018 Toyota Rav4. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the